Why is it important to suck in your business? Well, let me put it as simple as possible. When you're a kid, how long would you wait for your kid to start walking before you said quit? How long? You wouldn't, right? You have to learn how to walk, right? Same with the bathroom. So, you're gonna suck at first. You're gonna fall down on your face. You're going to mess things up, but it's important. I got a lot of sun on me, sorry. It's important that you start, really. The most important thing you can do is start, because you're gonna make mistakes and you're gonna learn from those mistakes. And those mistakes are, your north. When you put out your first, I like the lighting here. I like the colors, man. It's autumn in Massachusetts. When you first put out your first piece of content, it's probably gonna suck. If you actually go on my channel, look through videos, and let's see, do the oldest, search from oldest to largest. My first video is 15 seconds, and I held my camera the wrong way. Actually, I was on this road, and it was on lunch break. I might have even been wearing the same shirt well over a year ago. That's hilarious. That's so funny. But it's important to have some sort of starting point, and you have to be humble in asking yourself what you did wrong and how you can fix it. And you have to take steps to correct that. I've said this 1,000 times. I don't even know where I learned it. I think maybe it was, I don't know, some real estate book. Ready, fire, aim, fire again. That sounds kind of silly, right? Because everyone says ready, aim, fire. Well, the problem is a lot of people just sit there and they say ready, aim, 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 aim. Then they pull the trigger and they miss anyway, if they ever pull the trigger. It's better to just pull the trigger, see where the bullet went. Hopefully you didn't kill anybody. I'm not saying go do that with a real gun. I'm saying that in regards to your actions, okay? You want to pull the trigger, look at what you did, and adjust, all right? That's how you line up the sights on a gun, is you have to adjust. You gotta see, are you going in the right spot? You have to be constantly critiquing yourself. So when you find a mistake, when you find that you suck, it shows that you have an area to improve. You have an opportunity. If you can't find things that suck, well, then you're probably not looking hard enough, or you're not being honest with yourself. I don't know how long I'm gonna go on this video. Do you catch my drift? Not everything is gonna be good. But you gotta have a vision, and you gotta have a plan. A vision is a lifestyle that you want to bring to fruition. Certain things in life. I want my own home office. I want a big picture window. I want my laptop where I can, work. I want my little studio to where I can shoot my videos or maybe do a podcast. But I also want the freedom of time to go maybe to a Starbucks, even though I don't like Starbucks, and work from there. Have time to be with my kids, or like I want to have time with my son. I don't mind getting up in the morning, sharing some of my content, like roughing out an article, and then maybe bring my kid to school, maybe go to the gym, and then come back and finish up my stuff, or go to, some sort of cafe and do some work, and then pick my son up, cook for my wife. That's a vision. A goal is the kind of steps to get you there. And if you don't set a goal and you don't be honest with how bad you suck at it and what you need to do, then you probably won't get there. So it's important to be honest with yourself and deal with, whether or not you suck. I want to sit down. I'm not an old man. I'm only 34. I'm gonna be 35 soon. She's gonna be watching this years from now. I wanna know what you like about my channel the most. What types of videos do you like? Because I have a lot of energy. I get that a lot. Do you want more how-tos? Do you want more tips on building your channel? Do you want more education on making money online? Different simple strategies, how to make quick money, or to grow an online business? If you want to dive right in the description below, you can actually check out kevinjpino.com/success, and you could start today for $7. But if you don't want to do that, I'll give you some ideas. Just go to kevinjpino.com. I have a free ebook there on getting started on social media marketing. Kind of babbling a little bit, but it's free. Enter in your email address, blast that PDF over to you. It's like 7 or 8 pages. It's not long, it's a quick read. Some basic illustrations of what you can do to get started. And, you know, just pull that trigger, all right? And leave me a comment below. And watch the next video.